I do not have any personal knowledge on the leadership fund. No? In fact, nung nabanggit yan, ay first time ko nalaman na mayroon palang tinatawag na leadership fund. Ako, naging vice chair ako ng appropriations Pero hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng leadership fund na yan Kaya't kinakailangan nating maigi kung anong ibig sabihin ng mga bagay na ito. Ang talagang the proper question should be like, what particular appropriation are we talking about? What does it appear in the budget? Okay. Kailan ito na-introduce? Anong public purpose nito? Sinong ahensya ang mag-i-implement niyan? Ito pa isa. Does any legislator, whether it be the senator or congressman, exercise prohibited control over it after the enactment of it? So, sa akin, ito yung unang-una naniniwala ako na documents first. Yung facts muna. Then we make the legal conclusion on this. Kung ano man talaga yan.